Throw bleach on the salt, and you will earn a lot of money. It's amazing. I'll start our tip by adding a kilo of salt in a container. Then I will add a liter of bleach over the salt. Make this tip in your home, and then come back here to tell me if you had the expected result. I would love to know. Then I will add a tablespoon of baking soda, and then I will stir so that all the ingredients are mixed. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Jor Kabiab from the Philippines. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. This mixture has become one of the main ways of cleaning here at home since the day I learned. Finally, I will add 2 liters of water in the mixture to increase the yield of our product. One last time to dilute the ingredients in water, and then I will mix. The main purpose of this tip today is to facilitate the cleaning of your home, increase the yield of your products, make you save money, and even earn money. Because with this tip, you will increase by up to 5 times the yield of your cleaning products. Once this is done, I will transfer this mixture to a bottle. I will use a funnel for it, so avoid waste. If you prefer, can use a spray bottle. This will facilitate the application of the product and control the use. This way will yield much more. This tip will help you a lot in your day-to-day. Why? By adding baking soda in the mixture, we increase the potency of the product. Salt makes our product more abrasive, which facilitates cleaning. And finally, water that helps increase the yield of the product by up to 5 times done. Then our tip is already ready for use. Now just apply to where you want to clean and rub. A little note that this tip is not only about increasing the yield of products, but also about increasing their effectiveness. With all this, you will not need to buy more cleaning products for many months. You can even sell what you do the most and earn some extra money. I'm sure your friends and family will ask you for some of this product. Since I started doing here at home, I've been able to make a lot of money selling the mixture and saving with cleaning products. Made a very strong cleaning product with a very low cost. I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for having taught you. Because of all this, this tip has become routine here at home. I'm sure it will become routine in your home too. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.